So let's take you back a couple weeks. New Year's Eve in Las Vegas. Now, New Year's Eve in Las Vegas can be very expensive. Rooms can go for several hundreds to thousands of dollars for just one night. We got lucky to find a room at the Venetian, which many call one of the best Las Vegas hotels on the Strip. Yep, we were fortunate enough to find a very good deal for one of the cheapest rooms at the Venetian. And here's what that looked like. Now, although we stayed at the Venetian before, we never stayed in the Venezia Tower, so we were looking forward to it. And while check-in was a breeze for New Year's Eve, getting to our room was a whole other adventure. You see, the Venezia Tower is basically located in a quiet corner of the Venetian, and although breathtakingly beautiful in decor and architecture, getting to our room felt like an almost never-ending maze. I mean, it almost reminded me of the movie The Shining.
Here's Johnny!
Okay, not that bad. Nevertheless, we got a great deal, and we were looking forward to checking things out. We are staying in the cheapest room here at the Venetian.
That's right, we're staying in a king suite without a strip view. Our view is basically the high roller, which is still pretty cool. Now we're paying $117 a night, and this is actually over New Year's weekend, so still a pretty good rate.
And following that, we are going to try something delicious.
That's right. We're heading to Yardbird for some great kind of breakfast brunch. That's going to be fun.
Yeah, you guys really recommended us trying Yardbird, so thank you very much. We're going to give that one a shot. But I think it's time for us to get this party started. Definitely the room feels a little bit dated, and I think we need to show you guys exactly what the cheapest room here at the Venetian is all about. You ready to rock?
I'm ready.
Let's rock! Oh, hello, and welcome to the Venetian, the Venezia Tower, and our humble abode for the next several days. We're so excited to give you this little bit of tour, and I think what we're gonna start off with is El Baño. Love the idea of this, kind of having the vanity to do your makeup, ladies, when you want to get ready for that night out in Vegas. Also, I'm loving the dual vanity sinks, which is nice. Love the fact that it has a nice sort of a deeper soaker tub there. And of course the separate shower, which is nice. Follow me over here. So it kind of opens up, and every room here at the Venetian is sort of a suite. So you get this kind of nice feel of comfort, huge in comfort. So definitely feels a little bit more on the dated side in this room. Maybe one of the more originals, right, Dave? Feels like
yeah,
more
oh yeah, it probably is.
in comparison to the other one, right?
Oh yeah, last summer we stayed in a renovated king suite.
Yeah.
It is the cheapest one as well, but looks a little more modern
Yeah,
than this.
exactly.
Absolutely.
She got a nice TV and a nice king size bed here. You guys, oh, it looks comfortable, but the only way to truly determine its comfortability is what, Dave?
Well, that's of course the bed test.
That's right, you guys. It's time for the bed test. Fa la 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 to sleep for sure. This is definitely a comfortable mattress. I love the density of the cover, so we're gonna sleep really well in that. Got the end tables. Here's another nice creation of separation of space. You got a step down.
Just watch those steps.
Boop, watch the steps.
Steps in the house.
Step on down into your sort of living room, dining room area.
Might be. Nope. Where is it? Oh, it is a pull-out. So you got a pull-out there.
So you got to pull out in
Yeah.
case you're coming with a family, and that's really nice to have. Let me see here. Oh, the that's no more Venetian. That's not working. Don't worry, I'm
Gotta
sure
fix that light.
they'll come here and change that bulb at some point. But another, like you said, you got the TV here, and of course,
Uh-oh, what's that?
yeah,
That looks like the dreaded
dreaded minibar. Yeah, but guess what, you guys?
What's
We
that?
actually stopped at Walgreens and picked up our own little mini bar-ish stuff for the evening at a fraction of the cost. Are you ready for this view?
I think we're ready.
one of the cheapest rooms here at the Venetian, it's still pretty nice and very spacious because they're all suites. Nice.
Exactly. Well, it's getting pretty late, guys. We're going to wrap this up. We'll see you in the morning for breakfast at Yardbird.
We shall see you then.
Welcome to Yardbird.
Now, I'll just jump right into it, you guys. Here's the menu. There's a brunch special going on today. There's a lot of interesting things on there. I ended up going with just what I usually get. I like shrimp and grits, and I was told they're really good here.
Yeah, I went with the smoked brisket huevos rancheros, which I'm looking forward to.
We were actually here a while back and came in, and it was really busy.
Oh yeah, it gets very busy here. The lines can be just out the door. So if you want to come, we suggest making reservations obviously now in this current situation, but also try to get one of the earlier seating.
Yes, the music is a bit on the loud side. I think for me, honestly, it's 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. It'd be nice to have some more ambiance versus like, ooh, shit.
Here we go, wake up everybody.
But hey, it's Vegas. Oh, okay.
All right.
These look absolutely delicious. I mean, the aroma coming from this here is fantastic.
Yes.
So the shrimp and grits, it looks perfect. I love like the juice, the sauce. I love it has ham and onion and tomato. Lots of good stuff going on in there.
Oh, the presentation of both of these dishes is excellent. It looks amazing. The smoked brisket huevos rancheros looks very good. They did a great job with the eggs sunny side up. Cooked just the way we like it.
Here we go.
So I dive at the same time?
Let's do it.
All right, here we go.
Cue music.
Cue music, everybody.
I thought that was spot on. I love the complementary flavors. I would never think of putting ham and then slices of ham inside of shrimp and grits. It is really, really good. The sauce, the flavors work really well. Spot on.
Awesome.
Delicious.
And this is awesome. This is really good. The brisket has a nice little spiciness to it. Excellent, really tender, very nice. Of course, you got the fresh avocado, the pico de gallo, perfectly cooked egg as well, all blended together. Thumbs up, really good. All right.
So that was really, really good. I enjoyed it.
Yes, the brunch here at Yardbird is excellent.
Yeah, if you're coming to the Venetian, certainly recommend coming to the Yardbird. Get early reservations to enjoy some of that brunch and lunch. The food is spot on. We really hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us on our adventures here at the Venetian. And if you made it this far, thank you very much. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, world travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all in Las Vegas!